Instance 1. Okay, how to find the parameter of APAB? Okay, so you need to find the length of three sides, which is AB. Okay, the first side is AB, and second side is AP, and third side is PB. Okay, for the first one, we apply the distance point formula is the square root of 4 minus 5 square plus 7 minus 6 square. So which should equal to square root 1 square plus 1 square, which is square root 2. And pay attention in during the calculation we use the third form, okay? So we won't use the decimal places form, okay? For the second one is the AP is the square root of 5 minus 1 square plus 6 minus 3 square. So that should be root 25, it has exact value is 5. And the third one is 4 minus 1 square plus 7 minus 3 square, which should be equal to square root 25 and equal to 5. And therefore, the parameter of triangle APB is, so it's root 2 plus 5 plus 5, which is equal to 11.41. According to the question requirement is 2 decimal places, so it should be 2 dp. So it's instant root 1. And then for instant root 2, so how can I prove that is OAB is a right angle triangle? Do you still remember a concept called converse of Pythagoras theorem? Okay, so first of all I need to find the length of these three sides. So first of all is find OA. So OA square, it should be equal to 3 minus 1 square and then plus 2 minus 5 square, and then have square root and whole bracket square. So I will get this 3 square plus 2 square equal to 13. And second one is AB square. So it should be a square root. The square of this square root is 3 minus 1 square plus 2 minus 5 square. So it should be 2 square plus negative 3 square is 13. So therefore, OA square plus AB square is equal to 13 plus 13 is equal to 26. And on the other hand is OB. Okay, trying to find OB. OB square is equal to bracket square is square root of 1 minus 0 square plus 5 minus 0 square, because 0, this point is coordinates 0, 0. So therefore is OB square is equal to 26. Okay, therefore these two are equal. You need to write down, because AOA square plus AB square is equal to OB square. So triangle OAB is a right angle triangle, and you need to write down the reason is converse of Pythagoras theorem. Okay, we finished the part A. And part B, as this is a right angle triangle, so it should be, this one is base or height and this one is base. So we can write down the answer is the area of triangle OAB is OA times OB over 2. That means it's square root 13 times square root 13 over 2. Therefore it's 13 over 2 square units. So that's the end of instance 2. And the last one is quite important for you. And for instance 3 in the figures, OAB is as also a triangle. So these two lengths are the same. And therefore, and given that B is this coordinate and A is a point on x-axis is another keyword. So find the coordinates of A. So let's first of all, because A is on x-axis, so the y coordinate must be 0, and I will let it be A. So let the coordinate of A is 8, 0. And you need to pay attention is, I need to write down one more sentence to make it clear. And where, oh, sorry, and where A is positive, because A is on the right hand side of O. Okay, so it must be positive. So if A is on the left hand side, for example, if like this, A here, then if A 0, then A must be negative. So you need to pay attention about this one, okay? And then, how can I write this? Is because OA is equal to AB, so I try to express OA and AB in terms of A. So OA is equal to A minus 0, because it's horizontal line, that means equal to A. OA is horizontal line. And then for second part is AB, I apply the distance point formula, is square root of 9 minus A square plus 3 minus 0 square. And therefore is equal to square root 9 minus A square plus 9. Then how can I find the value of A? It should be because OA is equal to AB, and therefore OA is A, and AB is square root 9 minus A square plus 9. And how can I solve this equation? Is first step is take square root on both sides. Okay, take square on both sides. Therefore is A squared equal to 9 minus A square plus 9. And second step, do you still remember how to expand it for A plus B square format or A minus B square format? Okay, this one, maybe you can write down A minus B square format, then which is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. And therefore, is A square equal to 9 square minus 18A and plus A square plus 9. And you will get this, after simplification, you will get like this. And then you can solve it. The A square can be cancelled, and therefore 18A is equal to 90, and you get A is equal to 5. Okay, so the coordinate of A is 5, 0. So that's the end of instant drill 3. And pay attention is, this is the key words, is A must be positive. Okay, if A is on the left hand side of the y-axis, then A must be negative. Okay, that's the end of this 3 instant drill.